In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send notifications in Smartsheet. Whether you're managing a team project or just keeping track of your personal tasks, sending automated notifications can be a game changer in staying organized and ensuring everyone is on the same page. Let's break down the process step by step so you can set this up quickly and easily. First things first, you'll want to open your specific Smartsheet where you wish to set up these notifications. Once you have your sheet in front of you, direct your attention to the top menu. You'll see the option labeled Automation. When you click on it, you'll be presented with several choices, but for our purposes, you want to select the option Create a Workflow. This is where the magic happens. Creating a workflow allows you to set up automatic actions that respond to specific triggers on your sheet. Speaking of triggers, this is your next decision point. You'll have a few options to choose from that dictate when your notifications will be sent. For instance, you can select when rows are added, which is handy for tracking new entries in your sheet. Alternatively, you might choose when a specific column changes. This option is perfect for monitoring alterations that could be critical to your project, such as changing a task's status or updating a deadline. Now, once you've set your trigger, it's time to decide on the action. You'll see options like Alert Someone or Send Email. Choosing Alert Someone typically sends an in-app notification, while Send Email will reach your recipients directly via their inbox. Think about how your team or audience best receives information and select the option that's most effective for them. After choosing your action, it's essential to select your recipients. Smartsheet provides flexibility here as well. You can send notifications to specific people by manually entering their names or email addresses. If your sheet utilizes a contact list column, you have the convenient option to send alerts specifically to the contacts listed in a cell. This feature ensures notifications are directed to the right individuals without additional effort from you. To make your notifications as informative as possible, you might want to include dynamic placeholders in your email content. What this means is, instead of a static message, you can have elements like row values automatically filled in when the notification is sent. This gives recipients context and clarity about the alert they're receiving without you having to customize each message. Finally, with all your choices made, don't forget to save and activate the workflow. This final step ensures that your configuration isn't just living in draft form, but is actually set live and ready to function. With your workflow activated, you can sit back knowing your notifications will be sent exactly when needed, without any additional effort from your end. By the end of this video, you'll have a seamless notification system ready to keep everyone informed and your projects running smoothly. Thanks for tuning in, and happy Smartsheeting!